Hello guys, and welcome back again to my English comprehension lesson. I am still on my beginner's exercises on vocabulary words. Vocabulary words that you should know in English. But before we get started, as always guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So we're going to go over some English vocabulary words today that you should know. We're going to talk about the vocabulary words today in nouns for my beginners out there. These are nouns. What are nouns in English? Nouns are words that refer to people, places, and things. These refer to people and places, guys. Here's the first one, house. You should know what a house is in English. We talk about these vocabulary words every day in the English language. We're always mentioning these particular vocabulary words every day in English. House. Job. Your job, where you work. House, where you live. Job, where you work. Business, the business that you work for, or you are working for yourself in a business. Food, we talk about food every day, don't we? What we're gonna eat, what we're gonna buy at the grocery store, what food or foods we're going to be buying or eating. Restaurant. Don't we talk about restaurants all the time? What restaurant are we going to this weekend? Restaurant. Telephone or cell phone. We talk on our cell phones every day. We text on our cell phone messages. We look at videos. We do selfies. But in my time, when I was younger, and some of you may even remember, there was a physical landline telephone in your house. Do you remember? Do you remember the telephone system? Address. We go over addresses every day in the English language. Your address. The address where you live at your house. The address to your house. Money. Don't we talk about money every day? This is an important word, vocabulary word in English. Money. Money. How much money we have. How much money we need. What we're going to buy. The places we're going to go. Friend or friends. We talk about and talk with our friends every day in the English language. Do you have a friend? Guys, listen. These are some of the most important vocabulary words that you need to learn and understand, comprehend in the English language. Practice them. If you do not know what these words mean from my explanation in this video, get a dictionary and look up the word in English. Go to Google Translate and put the word in Google Translate and understand what each of these vocabulary words means. They're very important. I'm still on my beginner series teaching my students how to understand English in the beginning series. These are some of the things. I will be going over more vocabulary words in the next video. Make sure you look at this video to the end, okay? For the next exciting vocabulary words in English for my beginners. Thank you guys. Please like my page as always and hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. Have a great day, guys. Go out there and make it a great day. And I'll see you doing the next English exercise. Bye.